I want that expectations, you know, I want the disappointment if we don't. Have a go at me, because I agree. If we do well, give me all the praise, which you have done. You can't have it both ways, do you understand? And I'm always conscious, I'm never as good as what they say, I'm never as bad as what they say. They're not a team that looks for possession. They're quite happy not to have it, so we're going to have a decent amount of possession tomorrow. But they do have counter-attacking ability. Now, we have to be conscious of that as well. It doesn't mean we can just throw everyone, and there's a certain stage, if it comes to that, then maybe we look at, but we also have to be respectful of that as well. Now, they don't concede on a regular basis due to the numbers they have in defence, and they're happy to defend deep and happy to defend in numbers and rely on one or two bits of brilliance that they have then being able to counter-attack. They've had a great campaign, I have to be honest. I look back at a lot of games, I think they've been quite fortunate. I think when I look at Kazakhstan, I thought they were a better team over 2 games against them. Belgium, I don't believe when they went to Belgium, if you can play that game 100 times, they lose 99. But also, what it teaches you is they have a resilient, like they have that with them. And I respect that as well.